Hi guys, it's time for math. First thing, guess what day it is? It is day 30 of learning at home. Do you know what that means? Queen of 10. Queen of 10 has a message for you. I want you to click on that link and you are going to watch that video from your Queen of 10. Okay, now what we're going to do, we are going to do some subitizing. Remember, subitizing is when I hold something up for you. You get a few seconds to look at it, and then you got to tell me what it is. So first, I have some questions. We're going to do geometric subitizing. Geometric is a big fancy word for shapes. So I'm going to hold up some different shapes. I want you to be thinking, and you're going to have to answer this. How many shapes did you see? What shapes did you see? How did you see them? How many sides did you see? And how many vertices? Remember, we trace the sides and dot the vertices. All right, you ready? I'm going to hold up my shapes for 3 seconds. Okay, so how many shapes did you see? You saw 2 shapes, that's right. What shapes did you see? That's right, there was a rhombus and a triangle. How did you see them? Were they on top of each other? Were they beside each other? Which one was first? That's right, they were next to each other and the rhombus was first before the triangle. Here's where it gets tricky and it challenges you. How many sides did you see? Remember, we have 2 shapes. So how many sides do we have? I know a rhombus has 1, 2, 3, 4, and a triangle has 1, 2, 3. 4 plus 3 equals 7. How many vertices did you see? That's right, 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job subitizing. We are going to learn something in math that's going to blow your mind. We are going to learn what's called unknown addends. It's a fancy way to say missing part. Is that new? No, we've done missing parts. All right, so before we get into that, I also have linked here another geometric subitizing video. This is the one from the district for extra subitizing practice, okay? So now let's get into our lesson. So what we're going to do, check this out. Oops. What do you see? An equal sign, right? What does equal? What's an equal sign mean? What does that mean, equal? Equal means the same. Whatever's on this side of the equal sign has to be the same as what's over here. They have to equal the same thing. If I have 0 on this side of the equal sign, what has to be here? That's right, 0. because 0 equals 0. 0 is the same as 0. What if I have 1 on this side? What goes on that side of the equal sign? 1. Because 1 equals 1. So now, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to use some counters. Okay, let's do that. How many do I have? I have 6, right? So if I have 6 over here, what do I have to have over here? 6. Let's break it apart for colors. I have how many red? 4 red. Plus how many yellow? 2. Does 4 plus 2 equal 6? Absolutely. What if I want to move that to this side? Do I still have 4 plus 2? No, right? My parts changed. I have how many? 3 plus 3. Does 3 plus 3 equal 6? Sure does. Now I'm going to try to stump you. What if I want to say, now I have 3 parts. How many is here? 2 plus 2 plus 2. Does 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal 6? Absolutely. 2, 4, 6 equals 6. So now, let me show you. Let me get some more counters. All right, let me grab 6 counters for this side. Let me make these all match. And 6 counters over here. Do I still have equal numbers on both sides of the equal sign? Yeah, I have 6 equals 6. Okay. Remember, we have several different ways to make the number 6. I'm going to break these up. Oh, Shelby, sorry. Break them up. Okay. There we go. There we go. Okay. Let's look at this again. How many? 3 plus 3 equals 6, right? 3 plus 3 equals 6. Okay. What if I do that? I still have 6, right? Did I take any away? Did I add any to it? No, I just kind of separated them. So now I have 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's look at that. 3 plus 3 equals 2 plus 4. Does 3 plus 3 equal the same as 2 plus 4? Let's count and find out. 3 plus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 2 plus 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So does 3 plus 3 equal 2 plus 4? Absolutely, because they both equal 6. Remember? 6 equals 6. Right. So here's what we're going to do. What if I have that? I have 3 plus 3, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, equals, what do I have over here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is 3 plus 3 equal to 4? No way. That means I have a missing part, a missing addend. I'm missing something right here. I'm going to put a box for what I'm missing. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's how I'm going to solve that. I got to figure out what goes in this box to make this side of the equal sign the same as this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a bracket. Okay. 3 plus 3, what does that equal? The sum is 6. Okay. So now I got to do the same thing over here. Something plus 4 has to equal 6, because remember, 6 equals 6. So how would I find the missing part that goes in there? What's the missing part? What plus 4 equals 6? That's right, 2. Let's test it and make sure you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You just found the missing part. Looks hard, but it's pretty easy. Okay, so here's your assignment. It's called Unknown Addends Practice, which is just another way to say missing part practice. So notice here, we have our equal sign. Sorry. Okay. Equals means the same. So what is on this side of the equal sign has to be the same as what's on this side of the equal sign. So we're going to start with the side that has both parts to find the whole. 3 plus 5 equals, right, 8. So if this side of the equal sign comes to 8, that means this side also has to equal 8. So now we have 5 plus blank. 5 plus what equals 8? I'm going to start with 5, and I'm going to count on until I get to 8. Ready? 5 in my head, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. All right, let's look at the next one. Here's my equal sign. Whatever's on this side has to equal what's on this side. So I'm going to start here where I have my two parts. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Part plus part whole. So now I know this has to equal 5 as well. So we have 5 plus what equals 5? Right, 0. Got it. Now on your own, you're going to do the same thing to solve these two problems. Your challenge is down here. Notice there is part plus part plus part. So I have to add all 3 together and then find the missing part here.
All right. Have fun, guys.